In this video, I will show you guys how can you install Crunchyroll on your Samsung Smart TV. First up, you will need to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV it's connected to your local Wi-Fi, and after that you will need to grab your remote control and click on the source tab. Right now you will need to click on this down arrow, click on the right arrow as you can see right here, and you will need to click on this search tab. So press enter from here. Alright, right now you will need to type in Crunchyroll, and as you can see is right here. You will need to go and click on it, click on install. You will need to wait a little bit, and as you can see it's done. I will click on open, and right now I'm good to go. So that's it guys, I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.